Hi guys, so today I'm reviewing the new Lakme Enriched Lip Crayons. By the way, please excuse my hair. I just got the Nutri Fusion treatment done at Kaya Skin Clinic and that's why my hair is like all tied up like that. I wanted to quickly do this video because I have been testing 2 shades out of these since a long time, and I also got 4 additional shades from Lakme. So let me quickly do the review and swatches of the new Lakme Enriched Lip Crayons. First of all, starting with the packaging, they look absolutely like crayons, like actual color crayons with just the cap. If there was no cap, then they would actually look like color crayons. Like, they come in 10 different shades and they are priced at rupees 185 each. And they also come with a sharpener, a dual-sided sharpener, and this thing in between to clean the sharpener. Each crayon comes with its own sharpener so that you can clean it easily whenever the tip is blunt. To the formula, they have a little waxy kind of formula similar to what a color crayon formula would be, but they are not as drying as those crayons would be. They are very moisturizing and comfortable on the lips, and they are also like non-sticky. They actually feel just like any other regular matte lipstick, but not the completely drying matte lipstick, something similar to the Lakme Matte Enriched Matte Lipstick formula. Neither have a creamy glossy finish nor a matte finish, something like a semi-matte finish, and they glide on very easily and are very easy to apply. They do not tug on the lips and go on very smoothly. Feel very lightweight on the lips. You won't feel any dryness or any uncomfortable or heavy feeling on the lips. Staying power is okay. They stay for like about 2 to 3 hours. The lighter colors like the cinnamon brown stays for 2-3 hours, and the darker colors like the reds and deep pinks will stay to about 3 to 4 hours. But they won't survive a full meal. Like if you have your full lunch or dinner, this will completely go away. But with light tea and snacks, this will fade a bit, but they fade very evenly, so that is a good thing. You just have to reapply or touch up your lipstick, and they are very easy to carry along because of the size and to reapply. You can touch up anytime, anywhere, and they are very convenient and handy in that way. And they do not accentuate your fine lines or dry patches. Like if you have a lot of dry patches, you will need to exfoliate your lips because these are not creamy or glossy. They do have a semi-matte finish, but fine lines, I think that would be okay. This will not accentuate your fine lines, but they would be visible. And the best part about this is the price point at rupees 185. I think these are very economical for the quantity and the packaging, along with a sharpener. These are perfect for your daily use, for your college, office, and they also have a variety of different shades from pinks to reds to mauve, and even one perfect neutral brown. Cinnamon brown is the shade I'm talking about. It's the perfect MLBB My Lips But Better shade for me, and it's an absolutely beautiful nude. I love it on my complexion, and it is one of my current favorite nudes and something which I will wear on an everyday basis. Other favorite shade is Mauve Magic, which is the shade I'm wearing right now. These two are the shades which I had picked up initially from Nykaa. I'll also quickly show you the other shades from this range. First, let me quickly do a transfer test for you. So as you can see, there is a little bit of transfer, but not something too much or extreme. Like the complete lipstick won't transfer on your cups and glasses, but there would be a little bit transfer, which I think is okay. So these are not completely transfer proof and smudge proof, but they pretty much stay on the lips. They don't go away completely if you eat or drink something. So let's quickly jump onto the swatches now. These were all the shades of the Lakme Enriched Lip Crayons, and yeah, as I mentioned, my favorites are Cinnamon Brown and Mauve Magic, and I also really like the shade Shocking Pink, and the orangey reds are also nice. I really love Igo too also. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also let me know your favorite shade in the comments below, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.